Today, many developed countries seem to struggle with over-regulated urban planning. There is little room left for individual creativity and innovation.
Can't even change the colour of my front door.
Or the shape of my roof. I need to go through so much bureaucracy to make my house sustainable.
What if we could reduce these rules while respecting the developed qualities? Is thus a self-organized city possible? In fact, there is a place where this freedom exists. Freeland is a radically liberated place. Here, I can build whatever I want. Everyone can. You can too. You can build a home of your dreams. A new software, the Housemaker, will help you realize your ideas. Call it Island. Of course, Freeland does not exist outside law, so whatever you do should not harm others. Therefore, freedom goes hand in hand with responsibilities. To make your house accessible, you construct a portion of a public road and reserve the space for the road network to grow. You will no longer be dependent on large providers of energy, water, and waste treatment. You will organize these services yourself. By enriching your plot with natural amenities, you allow for sufficient plant and animal life. In Freeland, you will contribute to producing your own food, but hardly anyone has time to produce all their food entirely alone. So, we need our neighbors. You can team up and share. Collaborating allows everyone to achieve better quality and efficiency. This is when Island becomes We-land. So, what does this collectiveness give? An unexpected and surprising city that we raise all together. Facilities are developed by individuals, public organizations, and collectives. The absence of zoning allows for exciting interactive mixes, providing constant diversity and liveliness. Also, green areas are organized collectively on a larger scale. And all that is developed around an incredible variety of houses. One day, a factory came to Freeland. Like everyone else, the factory owner had the right to realize his dream, despite the anxiety of his neighbors. In response to their protests, he offered to extend the surrounding green buffer and proposed an unexpected exchange. Freeland is a growing attempt to organize collectively. To optimize this process, a group of individuals set up an interactive public planning portal, the Landmaker. It helps them to manage existing developments. Thanks to the Landmaker, Freeland's road network and public spaces are surely the most original in the world. Connected green areas form an unexpected green reservoir. Freeland develops as a rich assemblage of original ideas where urban planning is both advanced and basic. Its initial success brought more and more inhabitants and a bigger density. And three-dimensional individuality. Later, even neighboring areas decided to join Freeland, leading to new, refreshed environments. A new planning arises beyond today's imagination.